Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good day, students. Are you all fine? Alhamdulillah. Today, we want to proceed on our e-lesson program. As you all know, I am Mr. Alagbe Bashir, ss1 mathematics teacher in Borden College. In our last lesson, we discussed about the definition of sets, set notation. So inshallah today we shall look at the types of sets and how to identify them. Now let us look at the types of sets that we have. We have 8 types of sets. We have 1. Universal set, 2. Null set or empty set, 3. Subsets, 4. Power sets, 5. Equivalent sets, 6. Equal sets, 7. Finite sets, 8. Infinite sets. Now, let us look at these types of sets one after the other. The first one is the universal set. Universal set is a set which contains all the elements that can be used in a given problem involving set. Example: if we have set A, in which set A is the numbers of days in a week, that we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday up to Sunday. We can also have set B, that is, set B are the numbers of days that starts with letter T. So we have Tuesday and Thursday. So we can say that set B is a member of set A. So therefore, set A is a universal set denoted by these symbols, these two symbols. We can denote it by the first symbol in form of E, or the second symbol in form of U. Secondly, we have the null or empty set. Null or empty set. A null or empty set is a set which has no element. Is a set which has no element. It is denoted by null by O or phi or 2 curly brackets. E.g., if set A is equal to the numbers of boys having 3 eyes in our class, we can denote from this sentence that no human being has 3 eyes. So it means that the numbers of elements in this set A is 0. So we don't have any boys that has 3 eyes in our class. So let us look at set B also. Set B is such a way that x is an even number and 2 is less than x and x is less than 4. So we can infer from this that number between 2 and 4 is 3, and this 3 is a odd number, so it's not an even number. So there is no even number between 2 and 4. So it means that set B also is a null or empty set. Number 3, subset. Subset. Suppose set A contains 1, 2, 3 as its element or member, and set B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as the elements or members. You will notice that element of set A is also in an element of set B. Once again, you will notice that element of set A is also an element of set B. So we can say that set A is a subset of set B. So it can be written as A, it will be in form of E, not C. This is a typographical error. Is that clear? So it is written as A is a member or an element of B. Is that clear? So also A, another example, set A is the name of principal officers of day and boarding college of CTY. Names of principal officers of day and boarding college of CTY. So it means that set A are Mr. Adeleke, Mr. Osho, Mr. Bakari, and Mr. Uthman. So set B is names of principal officers in boarding college. Names of principal officers in boarding college. We have Mr. Adeleke, we have Mr. Osho, and Mr. Bakari. So we can see that in set B, all the elements of members of set B is a member of set A. So we now say that set B is an element of set A. Set B is an element of set A. So I think that we have understood all what we have done for the day. So before we round up, so want to look at the summary of what we have done so far. So we said that types of sets are universal sets, null or empty sets, subsets, power sets, equivalent sets, equal sets, infinite sets, then finite sets. So we also mentioned the example, the definition of universal sets, subsets, and then empty sets, and we gave some examples. So this is where we are going to stop for today. Inshallah, in our next lesson, we are going to start on power sets up to the infinite set. So until we meet again next lesson, have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.